Maybe up there. Ouch.
You think so?
I don't know. Across the creek. What about this one, buddy? Wanna try that one?
Looks a little on the soft side. Give her a tester.
Yeah.
Oh, that one?
This here. No, bye. I think. Thinking it's good. Yeah.
Starting with the end?
Wherever you want. You could start here. You
I
know?
was just thinking in general for blocking them.
Could probably split that though.
Yeah, but you want to split and carry this big old.
Well, do it in
Heavy.
whatever you think.
You're right, I think.
Am I?
Yeah, maybe we'll limit first. I'll get the other axe and we'll do that.
Limit to the limit?
Push it to the limit.
Oh yeah.
You sure? I think you're right, actually. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see.
That'll do.
There you go. We're a couple of gorfs.
Are we gonna do that one too? And have them come or get it tomorrow maybe?
We'll bring it out to let it dry off.
Yeah.
I say we take the light one.
Yeah, let's take this one. Or is this lighter? Is this what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's friggin' heavy. It's really heavy.
Maybe
Really, really.
heavy one.